Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide.
For Dodge's 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500 and 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500 Classic.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Jack up your vehicle and remove the factory rear cab mount bolt and bushing. Then, cut off the factory rear cab mount. Step 3. Grind the work area down to bare metal, removing any remaining rust and debris. Step 4. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to prevent or reduce future rust formation. Step 5. Using the factory parts silhouette, align the replacement mount on the frame. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part in place before fully welding around all edges. Step 6. Paint the part and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Then, reinstall your cab mount bolt and bushing. Now, get back out on the road.